In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders for others in Google Calendar. Whether you're managing family activities or coordinating with coworkers, knowing how to set effective reminders is a useful skill that helps ensure no important event is missed. First, open Google Calendar using your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, as this is necessary to access and manage your calendar. Once your calendar is open, click on the specific date and time when you want the reminder to occur. This allows you to set the reminder at the exact moment it's needed. Google Calendar's interface is user-friendly, so clicking directly on the calendar timeline will automatically open a new event window. After selecting the date and time, a pop-up menu will appear. From the available options, choose Task. It's important to note that Google Calendar reminders are now integrated with Google Tasks, so selecting a task is how reminders are created. Next, add a title and description for your reminder. Choose a clear and concise title, such as Team Meeting or Doctor's Appointment. In the description, include any additional details that may be helpful, such as meeting agendas, locations, or instructions. Adding more context makes the reminder far more useful when it appears. Once everything is filled out, click Save. This confirms your reminder and ensures it will notify you at the scheduled time. Using Google Calendar effectively can greatly improve productivity, and setting reminders is a key part of staying organized. By keeping everything centralized, you can focus more on what matters instead of worrying about forgetting important tasks. That's it. You've successfully set a reminder using Google Calendar. With continued use, you'll be managing schedules and reminders like a pro.